Welcome to Facts and Puzzle. In today's video, we'll share 40 fascinating and bizarre animal facts. You'll have 5 seconds to decide if each fact is true or false. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let's dive in. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. True. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. True. Camels store water in their humps. False. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur. True. Cows have 4 stomachs. True. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. True. Penguins can breathe underwater. False. Sharks are mammals. False. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans. True. Snakes can blink. False. A snail can sleep for 3 years. True. All clownfish are born male. True. Frogs drink water through their skin. True. Sloths move so slowly that algae can grow on their fur. True. Owls can turn their heads 360 degrees. False. Bees die after they sting. True. Octopuses have 3 hearts. True. Starfish can regenerate lost arms. True. Ants never sleep. False. Crocodiles can cry. True. Kangaroos cannot walk backwards. True. A goldfish has a memory span of 3 seconds. False. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. True. A group of crows is called a murder. True. Rabbits are born with their eyes open. False. Flamingos are naturally pink. False. Turkeys can blush. True. The fingerprints of a koala are virtually indistinguishable from those of a human. True. Only female mosquitoes bite humans. True. Pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror. True. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. True. Wolves howl to communicate with the moon. False. Blue whales are the largest animals ever to have lived on Earth. True. Goldfish grow only to the size of their tank. False. Cows can go upstairs, but they can't go downstairs. True. Bulls get angry when they see the color red. False. Male seahorses give birth to their young. True. All tigers have the same stripe pattern. False. Rabbits digest their food twice. True. Elephants can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes. True. Thank you very much for watching.